everyone, it's Jennifer from Sparkle and Splatter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, tiny washi tape garland. You only need a few supplies, and this looks so cute on a gift. You could put it in a dollhouse, you could put it on a cake, you can hang it in a window, and it just takes a few minutes to make. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need some baker's twine. You could also use some ribbon or some string or some yarn, but I'm going to use baker's twine for mine. This comes in a big roll at the craft store. You'll also need some washi tape, any print or pattern you like. It comes in tons and tons of different styles and prints and things. And you'll need a good pair of sharp scissors. They don't have to be little tiny ones like this, but just a pair of sharp scissors would be great. So what you're going to do is grab some of your twine, not too long. I mean, as long as you want it to be. If you want it to go across the room, you know, feel free. I'm going to grab a piece. This is about 12 inches or so. And then you'll just want to kind of lay it down where you want to make your piece. And then you're going to take your washi tape and you're going to just peel a little bit off here. And what we're going to do is start sticking it around our twine, okay? So pull a piece out, I would say, about 4 or 5 inches. And you can tear it. It doesn't have to be beautiful at this time. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your twine and you're going to just kind of eyeball the middle, and you're going to lay it down. And then you're going to fold it in half. Now the trickiest part is to line it up properly so that no sticky is hanging out, okay? So you're just going to do that, fold it over, okay? Now just repeat. Rip a piece of tape off, and then you want to lay it sort of in the middle and then fold it in half as neatly as possible. This part you'll want to really make sure you line it up. Now, if you kind of mess up and don't line it up properly, it's okay. You can pull it back off, or you can even trim the sides up a little bit, okay? So we're just going to repeat this all the way around, and if you got some sticky showing, it's okay. We're going to trim all that at the end. But you're just going to repeat this all the way around for your little garland. And now, when you do the third one, you want to make sure that you got about the same amount of space in between. So you can even lay it on the surface that you're working on like this. And just make sure you have about the same distance across, okay? I mean in between each one rather. Okay, and then just fold it in half. And you're going to repeat this for as many little flags on your garland as you like. Okay, so I put a few more on here. Now let's grab our scissors and kind of straighten everything up. You can cut these straight across and just kind of make little flags. I'm going to do, to kind of mimic my chevron here, I'm going to do little notches in mine, okay? So I'm going to cut inward on both sides to a center point. Pull that off. And then I have these little flags, okay? Now, if you want to make sure that you're cutting them the same length, you can flip it over to the next one and sort of use it as a template. Okay, so just cut one in and then cut the other one in. Just try and get the same angle. Now we have 2. And then you can fold it in on the next one and just trim them all up. This is where having some sharp scissors is really, really helpful. Okay. Get these out of the way. All right, and then let's do the next one here. Fold it in on itself, use it as a template, and take your sharp scissors, and you're going to cut, and you're going to cut. Try to do your cuts in one pass. If you cut and then have to lift up and cut again, it'll sometimes leave a little notch. Anything really, whenever you're cutting paper or tape or fabric or anything, you want to try to get it in one clean pass. So our little washi tape garland is complete, and it looks so super cute. So that is how you make a tiny washi tape garland. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and click the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter updates. Thanks again.